spot, big boy. My dad's over there working it down. Rain coming tomorrow. We're trying to squeeze this in on a non-tile field. 81 acres. Let's see how far we get. There's the field we're headed to right now. Looks like Dad's halfway across it. That's corn. She's up, but struggling. Cold, wet, and now she's a little crusty. But this field looks good. Setting that drill down. And we're rolling. I'm just making my way around this big drainage ditch. Kind of putting. I'm going to square this off in the back, and I'll hit my guidance lines. I'll be right back, big boy. I want to check how much soybeans we got. She's borderline sticky, but the tires look good. I've gotten away from that wedge. There's a big wedge. It's kind of a pain in the butt.